is just a huge disclaimer before the video starts because it just has to be said. When I was recording this video, I didn't realize that you really have to record in landscape mode when you're doing YouTube, so it could be longer and not like straight. So I'm sorry for that. And you know, this is gonna be a little ghetto because it's my first vlog, but I promise you're gonna want to watch because it's some funny shit in here. La 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 la. We got that old school love, make me act the fool of a loving this true love, baby. Make my heart skip a beat, yeah, little pep in my feet, can't even sit in my seat now, baby. We got that just no love, that go with the flow love. It's my first vlog. It's about to be so fucking ghetto, but it's about to be so fucking lit. So stay tuned, y'all gonna see what I did over the weekend. It was really fucking lit. Really fucking lit. So keep watching.
It's Friday night, so everything is popping.
So we all lit right now, ladies? Yeah! Oh yeah, ladies!
Look at this. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Migos. That's Casamigos, bitch. That's Casamigos.
How that taste?
It's kind of good. Say I want me pick up boom on it, tip on my tona. Bend down low now, you can pop on it a little bitch. I'm sorry. Hey, get crazy. I'm up. Bitch, I'm up. Marissa. We gotta fix it tomorrow. Get up. No. You been in a...
Oh, watch out, bro. The Balenci's though, look at the Balenci's. Keep the eye on the Balenci's. They fucked my shit up.
Gangsta. Knocked out. Daddy. Niggas got lit tonight.
Next morning.
Wig, okay.
What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I guess this is technically my first vlog, and we are in the CC right now. And when I said we, I'm talking about Nehru and Jeffy. Anyway, yeah, so we getting something to eat. My food's ready. So I just really had a dumb moment. So my friend, he got a double cheeseburger, and I was like, let me get one, right? But
really, nigga?
Nah, I look weird just talking. But anyways, so I went up there and I'm looking at the menu on the screen, but it doesn't say double cheeseburger. So I see something called Impossible Burger. I'm thinking maybe, you know, they made up their own names.
That's dumb.
So I ordered the Impossible Burger. But something wasn't sitting right with me. So I asked Nehru, I was like, yo, is it the Impossible Burger? Is that what it's called? He was like, no, what is that? I was like, oh, hell no, like, I don't want it. So I didn't want to look stupid. I told Jeffy to go change it for me. But I got my double cheeseburger. That's all I'm really worried about.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Hi, boy! It's my sister. It's my sister. Anyway, she just pulled up. We're on the 21st right now. Boom, boom, pow. And,
Your body got me crazy. I go see my face. Your body see my face a lot, man. I go see my face.
Good morning, pretty people. It is 1:40 p.m. the next day. What happened was I didn't vlog. I forgot, like totally forgot. I'm here with Narissa and Shay. Say hi to my YouTube. Hey. So they played a prank on me. That's why I'm awake, because I was asleep. They woke me up with a prank, and I didn't think it was funny, but they thought it was. So I might insert the clip, whatever. joke? The fuck? It's okay. It's a prank. It's a prank. Stop. Ow, I'm sorry. I didn't know you. I only played it for 2 seconds. Oh,
Yo, it's not funny. It's really not funny.
That is funny.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Dumb club. Come on, slice that shit.
She get a 20 birthday portion?
Oh! Oh yeah! We would have to get it after 5. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah! Is you shitting me? Come back again.